Okay, I'm going to show you how to install Windows Subsystem for Linux. You want to go to your Start menu, go to Control Panel, and go to Programs, turn Features on and off. Scroll down here to Windows Subsystem for Linux. Hit OK. And then you'll need to restart your computer. Okay, so once you've restarted, you want to go to your Start menu, go Windows Store, or Microsoft Store, and you want to search Linux. Now you can install a bunch of variations. I'm going to use Ubuntu 18.04 LTS, which is long-term support. That's one I kind of prefer to use. I don't want to sign in. And just click install. And now take a few minutes. You can just keep clicking out and sign in if you don't want to sign in. Once that's installed, you actually should have it under your recent ones. Just click at run that. I usually pin it down here since I often use it. But it's under your programs. If you ever need to find it. See, under your there. You can close out that. Just leave this run. This takes a few minutes. It's not this long after you've run it once. It's just the first time it's spinning up. Once it's done, you gotta create your username. So we'll do that here. Oops. What am I doing? And then you can't have capitalization. Anyhow, if you need access to your Windows folders, it's actually under Mount. We can go Mount, and then LS, you can see your drives. This here's got 3 drives, so I can actually mount the C drive, and you can see I can go into the program files and users and all that stuff. So you can actually access all that stuff. Be careful if you're accessing files on both Windows and Linux, because it can cause some issues, especially like if you're running npm install for the node modules and stuff. Node modules for Linux and node modules for Windows is 2 different things. So stuff like that, just to be aware. There's certain things that can cause some issues. Sometimes it'll be a little hard to delete stuff occasionally. Basically, a lot of these issues result from 2 different operating systems trying to access the same files. So, as long as you're aware of those issues, like I said, there's a few edge cases of things, but for the most part, it's pretty nice. You access a lot of the different build commands and stuff like that that don't either you don't have access to in Windows or you don't access to, period. So